Welcome back to Auto Master. Today we're checking out a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury hotel on wheels. Meet the 2026 Tiffin Phaeton, a high-end class A diesel motorhome built for people who want to travel in total comfort, style, and power. Whether you love long road trips, family vacations, or even full-time RV living, this machine delivers everything you could ever need on the road. From the very first look, the Tiffin Phaeton makes a strong impression. The exterior design is bold, elegant, and modern. Up front, you get a massive panoramic windshield that gives the driver a clear and wide view of the road. Sleek LED headlights, chrome accents, and smooth body lines give it a premium tour bus appearance. The full body paint finish looks stunning and high quality, making it stand out at every campsite or highway stop. Along the sides, you'll notice large storage compartments that provide tons of space for luggage, camping gear, and travel essentials. Power awnings with built-in LED lights allow you to create a relaxing outdoor patio area in seconds. Overall, the outside feels strong, stylish, and built for serious travel. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel like you've entered a luxury apartment. The interior is beautifully designed with high-quality materials everywhere. You get solid hardwood cabinetry, soft leather seating, polished floors, and warm ambient LED lighting that creates a cozy and premium atmosphere. The living area features comfortable sofas and recliners along with a large smart TV, perfect for relaxing after a long day on the road. Thanks to the slide-out sections, the space opens up even more, giving you a roomy and airy feel that most RVs simply can't match. The kitchen is fully equipped just like a real home. There's a residential-size refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, deep sink, and solid surface countertops. You can easily cook full meals without any compromise. Right next to it, the dining area offers a comfortable space for family dinners or casual breakfasts. Moving toward the back, the bedroom feels like a luxury hotel suite. A king-size bed ensures maximum comfort, while large wardrobes and cabinets provide plenty of storage. The bathroom is equally impressive with a separate shower, modern sink, and premium fixtures. Everything feels clean, spacious, and thoughtfully designed for long-term living. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Tiffin Phaeton comes equipped with a powerful Cummins diesel engine that delivers strong and smooth performance even with its heavy body. It's built on a Freightliner or Powerglide chassis, which provides excellent stability and control. The air suspension system absorbs bumps easily, making every ride smooth and comfortable. Long highway drives feel effortless thanks to cruise control and advanced driver assistance features that reduce fatigue and improve safety. When it comes to features, this motorhome is packed with technology. You get an automatic leveling system, onboard generator, solar panel options, powerful air conditioning, climate control heating, backup and side cameras, navigation system, and smart control panels that manage everything inside. It truly feels like a smart home on wheels. As for pricing, luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Tiffin Phaeton typically starts around $400,000 and can go beyond $500,000 depending on options and customization. But for those who want ultimate comfort, freedom, and premium travel, it's absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this luxury motorhome review, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Auto Master for more amazing vehicles from around the world. See you in the next video.